Hi Capricorn, this is your next 7 days reading. I'm going to look at the energies from 12th of April to 18th of April. I'm going to see for the collective of Capricorn, sun sign, moon sign, rising sign of Capricorn, and what's coming to you in this time period. So what I am seeing in the cards that have I have already seen and I have clarified that you are going through a situation that is stuck. There is a two of swords energy here. So two of swords is telling me that you are stuck in a certain situation, whether it is your personal or your professional life, because there has been a surprise situation that had happened in the past with the tower. Recent past, maybe it could be anything that gave you a surprise, and after that there is a situation where you are in two minds what to do. But what is happening is you will make a way through that, because the influences in this time period is the six of swords. So six of swords influence tells me that you are going to have a victory over this stalemate situation that you are going through, or a troubled situation that you are going through. There is much fear in your environment. You could be fearful with the moon here. So the presence of moon is creating some kind of fear, some uncertainty, something is not revealed yet. So basically you are going through self-doubt, fearful, some kind of doubt in your energy, and that is creating the anxiety, the creating the limitation energy in your work situation or in your personal life. So there is a problem, and this problem is affecting your heart. It is affecting your heart, but angels are saying that with the star energy definitely you will find the way. There is going to be some clarity that will be coming to you very soon, and this clarity is going to give you much hope. So that's why I took out some cards to see what is coming to you unexpectedly in this time period. So the unexpected energy is the chariot. So the chariot is about passing through difficulty with a determination. So that determination is going to come to you. So this is something which is going to bring in triumph in the end. So that's why the influence is showing the six of wands. So what's happening is the energy of emperor and the star. So emperor and the star, and the presence of star and the moon around you, both these things, both these combinations are telling me that whatever may be the difficulty in this time period, which is more or less creation of uncertainty and things that are unknown, so that's why you are in some kind of anxiety and a stalemate. So you cannot make a decision, but very soon with the chariot you are going to make a decision. You could be in two minds about it. Travel, you could be might not be getting the permit. You could be worried about some deal that has to come through which is not coming. But in this week the star and the emperor and the chariot are going to aid you. So how? The emperor is about authority. So either you will take authority in your situation and create a structure or a structural change in your thought. And with the star, this sometimes tells us that we get over the fear, and we see our fear in the eye, and then we make a decision to move forward. So we make a decision to create the correct energy without getting affected by our emotion, and then we move forward with an optimism. Or this can be that there will be a powerful person who could be coming in the picture, giving a necessary idea about the rules regulation, or give you the idea about a direction, and that is going to propel your chariot, and that is going to help you move forward towards your wish fulfillment. So what I am seeing here is there is a unexpected change of a situation, and justice is coming to you. So the King of Pentacles is your energy, and justice will come to you. So this is a fair deal can come towards you. There is a possibility of cure in a bad health situation because of which you were fearing. There can be a bad situation in your work energy or economy or financial fears. It is going to get sorted because justice will happen to you. So justice is about a court case, justice is about a contract, justice is about a legal situation that is arriving in favor of you. So judgment is also there. So judgment is about making a correct decision in this time period if you are stalemated, if you are stuck. So what will happen is you will talk to someone. With the Two of Cups, you are going to talk to someone, you are going to initiate a discussion. There is going to be some kind of new beginning that can happen because the ideas are going to come to you with the Ace of Wands. So Ace of Wands, Two of Cups, Judgment, Justice, and the King of Pentacles. Who is going to be affected by all these things? And justice and judgment tells us that you can speak up about a situation, you can make a decision, you can finally decide that this is not going to happen in my life. I am going to take some action, and I am not going to adjust into whatever comes in my situation. I am going to make a decision to get myself out of a stuck situation, a stagnant situation. So what is going to happen in this time period in terms of action is the Six of Swords and the Ten of Pentacles. So a long-term situation of your energies will be impacted with a right to safe passage towards peace. So if you were troubled with a situation, definite I am telling you, there is going to be a crossover. There is going to be a moving on from that situation with strategy. So there is going to be strategy. There is going to be some direction coming to you. There is going to be some invisible forces aiding you in this time period, and you are going to make a move. So there is going to be moving on from the current stuck situation, and with the Three of Cups, there is going to be great happiness and healing that is coming to you in this time period. A good news will arrive. Good news will arrive with the Page of Wands. So there is a possibility of that. Unexpectedly, someone can take your side. Unexpectedly, a movement can happen. Unexpectedly, you can become more optimistic and determined, and you can practice or cite some rules in a situation, or you can take help from a very powerful person. With the Ace of Cups, your situation is going to improve. So a new situation is arriving with the Ace of Wands, new idea, new motivation. Ace of Cups, self-worth, and going away of the self-doubt energy, and much self-worth energy is coming in. So in your personal life, again the moon is showing, so it is affecting your emotional environment. Something which is unknown, something which is fearful, something which is not clear, or premonitions, or some kind of illusion is making your life difficult at this time. But you are the King of Pentacles. Always remember that you are very stable, but because of recent incidents in your life, because of the past some years, what has happened is you have lost that stability, and now you are wanting a stable job. With the Ten of Pentacles, you want a stable job, you want a stable married life, you want something that you can clutch onto. But this uncertainty does not go away, and that is the moon. So moon is an illusory energy. It affects the mood, it affects our ambitions, it affects our expectations as well. So take yourself out of this problematic energy. Always remember that you are the king of pentacles. You will attract stability. Nine of cups will come to you once you realize this. Once you realize this, once you move yourself in a different frequency from the fearful energy, you will get your wish fulfillment. There is going to be a situation in this week that is going to satisfy you. And in terms of your work, you are managing something. You could be managing two things. You could be making up your mind regarding something. You could be in a very juggling kind of situation. But you have not lost your courage. With the Nine of Wands, you have gone through several trials and errors and several dislocation, relocation, changes of some kind, or some bad energies that affected you, but you have been a fighter and you are courageous. Very soon stability and abundance is arriving with the Empress energy. So there is a possibility of the Emperor Empress energy around you, mother father energy, substantial support from a woman leader or a man leader in your life will come to you. You can get help from people, you can get advice from people, you can be elevated, or you could be having mother father energy. And finally you will prioritize what has to be done and not cower away in some kind of fear. So your outcome in this week is Four of Wands. So you are going to achieve something which you are looking for, that is stability. So Four of Wands means good association. It can mean that finally balance is coming back to you. Finally a support system, association, good rewards, good recognition, good energies are going to give you a happy home, happy office, happy financial situation. So there is going to be reaping of rich rewards. There can be an opportunity or an offer which is coming to you with the Ace of Pentacles in your discernible future, that is within this week end, or there is going to be something coming to you very soon. So once within a 7 day period, your energies of fear are going to dissipate, because you are going to find a way, you are going to attract something, you are going to get the rich rewards, you are going to close a deal, you are going to close a deal on a house, a family matter, on a home situation, house situation, something that was keeping you stuck. It is going to convert into a success situation for you, because the influences of Six of Wands, which we talked about in the beginning, that is a victory. So you are not expecting it with the Four of Cups, and you are thinking of strategies. Yes, you have to be sharp, you have to be motivated to take yourself out from the danger. And the death situation here is telling me something is going to dissipate finally for you. It is going to change, it is going to be ended, and you will be in this Four of Wands. That is the clarification of Four of Wands. So let's read out some abundance card. So the abundance card, abundance angels are telling you, face your financial fears. Number one. There is another one, I will read both. So face your financial fears. When you are honest with yourself and about your fears of success and failure, they can no longer control you. So once you are honest with yourself, okay, what is giving me this fear? The fear will not be able to control you. Be free of hidden fears by exposing them to the light of awareness, and you will realize that you are in fact you actually in fact have nothing to fear, and that every successful person has struggled with these fears, and the best is to release those self doubts. That is what this card is telling us. What is the other card telling us? Attracting and not chasing. So, anything or anyone you chase after will run away or run the other way because of the fears underlying chasing energy. So, instead, attract what you need by sending your love and gratitude and a welcoming energy. So, if you were stuck onto something, if you were clutching onto, holding on to something, if you were not ready to receive advice, if you were not ready to receive some treatment, if you were not ready to receive some kind of information, please do that. Please do that, and you will see how your fear, how your self doubt, how your energy that was making you restless will dissipate. Because the moon energy will not stay for long. Moon will change its position and things will change for you. So you will find your solutions very soon. That is what I am seeing. So if you have liked this reading, Capricorn, please like, share, and subscribe. This is Tarot Priestess 1313. Keep watching this space. I'll be bringing more readings for you. And if you want your personal reading, you can always contact me through the email ID in the description box just below this video. And you can contact me. However, they are paid readings. So once you write to me, I will let you know how to book my personal readings. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.